Hey, we're out here with Vivint Gives Back. We've been out here on this school site building a fence, shoveling cement.
One of the biggest issues is human trafficking. So one of our main projects was building a fence around the entire perimeter.
So having that fence up means that they have safety and a place that they can roam and play like this. We had to fill up the wheelbarrows and take them through kind of the jungle all the way up the path to get to each of these posts. And they were about every 6 feet. So we ended up doing close to probably 100 to 150 of these posts. And each post took 3 wheelbarrows of concrete to fill it up.
Out here, it's labor intensive for sure. I'm sweating up a storm covered in stuff, but that's what we're here for.
We're so fortunate, we don't even realize some of the things we have. Like sometimes we look at buildings here and we're like, wow, that's not a building I'd love to live in, but for some people, that's all that they have.
The thing that is most important to us is getting as many kids an education as possible.
We're building a kindergarten classroom and a library so that we're able to expand the number of kids the school is able to serve.
And with an education, they have an opportunity to break the cycle of poverty in their lives.
These kids are incredible, man. These kids walked out of the classroom, they're picking up buckets, they're shoveling, they're helping us. Nobody's telling them to do it and they just want to work. They literally just want an education.
Anybody who hasn't been on an impact trip, it is worth every sacrifice. Those accounts maybe seem big in the moment, but when actually you're here experiencing this once-in-a-lifetime event where we're able to give back. And then just to see the progress in one day, what we can do when all of us are putting our hands together, it's worth it.
The culture out here is absolutely nuts. For the way they talk, the way they dress, it's just so by far different from what we see in America.
Really cool to see the money go to a really good cause, because you always worry that the money that you put into charity is going to go to some corrupt person, but actually being here has been really amazing.
We're incredibly grateful for everybody that made the decision to donate both their time and money to be here to make such a big impact in Thailand and a lasting impact for these kids in Chiang Mai. So thank you.